Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. We've been on sabbatical, both of us getting some rest and relaxation in August and doing consults at the Jersey Shore. So we're going to review for you a fella who's roughly, 40 years old. He's a male model who had 2 strip cases. And take a look at this scar. It's crazy, isn't it, Wendy? Look at this. There's a little clip here we'll put right up in the middle of this. So quiet down. Here's the clip plan. Okay, so hold it here. So this guy's had 2 previous strip surgeries, and the scar is really wide. By my finger for comparison, I mean, that's a monster. And it goes all across the scalp, and it's but too low.
Yeah, no, it's very low.
So we will do an FUE today and get a few hundred grafts to augment that hairline. That is a wide scar, right? And he did all that in the hopes of just filling in these 2 little corners.
Yeah, right, those triangles. He has them just like you do.
And he had supposedly 3,000 grafts by a fellow that does some hair and some other things over the course of the past couple of years. And given that problem, we got to do FUE on him,
Yeah, that's a white scar. I mean, really.
Yeah.
Can't fix it.
And so the other problem with him is the fellow that did his previous corners did this goofy curve that you just don't see in nature. And here's a picture of that curve. And a lot of the textbooks in hair have that in there, but I just have never seen that in a natural human hanging out at the mall or the church or the McDonald's. Curves like that don't exist, but they're in the books, and so people do these things. But that's what I'm saying.
Like the way that I read some of your books, and they go shoot like that, and we get lots of patients all the time asking like that kind of.
Yeah, I just don't do them that way because I don't see them. So we got to, typically I wouldn't have done it that way, but now he's committed. He's got a few hairs there, so we got to do that same thing. So here we are doing an FUE. It's a little video clip. So take a look. So again, using that tree analogy, we've dug a hole around the root, but because we can't get a shovel underneath to transect the deep roots, you literally avulse a little bit of it, and the key is to avulse as little as possible.
Oh.
That is why FUE.
Well, he has a lot of scar tissue.
Yeah. But they're coming out good. And you just never know. This is 3 FUEs in a row, and these are coming out super easy, but you just never know. So if only all FUEs went like that.
Oh, we would be like doing only FUEs.
Right, but they don't all go like that. And if you don't believe me, just look at a bunch of our videos about why FUEs do and don't work so well. So here he is at the end of the case, and you get those grafts packed in there pretty well. Yeah. Okay, so here's the left hairline. It's all packed in. We trimmed a few hairs. That whole first 3 rows are singles, and behind that are 2s, and there's a few 3s up through here.
We left them a little chunky so you can survive something.
Right, a little extra meat or dirt around the root ball. And then typically on these redo guys, it takes about 15 or 16 months for the stuff to grow in. And he rolled in just before we went on our sabbatical at 9 months. And he looks good. Here's a little video clip where we interview him. Just real brief.
Mom and my sister just, to get away. My mom's taken it tough. My parents were married 49 years, so it's just really hard on her.
Oh, it is, man.
It's hard on me, but it's just still shocking. It was unexpected, so.
This is, what did we say, 9 months out from a little tune-up case, so. You pretty happy at this point?
Yes.
It'll only get better, I promise you.
Yes.
So, this is a great case for FUE. He's got really crappy scarring tendencies. He doesn't need a whole lot of hair. Unfortunately, he was very easy to FUE, and he's only going to get better from here. Don't you think?
Yeah, he called me in a 6 month, letting me know that it was starting to grow, and then he wanted to come and see you to show you.
Yeah.
He was, we just did. How many FUEs did we do?
On him, I think we did 400 or so on that one side, and a little bit more on the other side.
Yeah, but that was the most fun.
Yeah.
So he got white scars to accomplish what
Nothing.
we did with to what we did with 500 grafts.
Yeah. So to summarize, do your research before you sign up for these things. FUE definitely is useful. I still don't think it works as well as strip does, but for people that scar as poorly as this guy who need only a few grafts, it's the perfect technique. I did it on my own son, as I posted in other videos. And remember, it takes 15 to 18 months for it to fully grow in. So hopefully we'll get him back between his model shoots and get a real picture.
Yeah, 15 to 18 months when you had something done before.
Right, that's
Yeah.
right. All right, if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.